Avoiding Gerund Goofs, navigating the world of gerunds. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to explore the wonderful and sometimes tricky world of gerunds. Specifically, we'll be focusing on a common area where learners often stumble: incorrect verb forms. By the end of this video, you'll have a much better understanding of how to use gerunds correctly in your English conversations and writings. Before we dive into the common mistakes, let's quickly review what a gerund is. A gerund is a verb form that ends in ing, and it acts as a noun in a sentence. For example, in the sentence, "Swimming is fun," swimming is a gerund. Now, let's move on to the meat of today's lesson: incorrect verb forms. One of the most common mistakes learners make with gerunds is forgetting to add the ing ending. Remember, a gerund must always end in ing. So instead of saying, "I enjoy to swim," you should say, "I enjoy swimming." Another common mistake is confusing gerunds with infinitives, which are the base form of a verb, often preceded by to. Certain verbs in English are followed by a gerund, others by an infinitive. For example, we say, "I love swimming," gerund, not "I love to swim," infinitive, and "I prefer to swim," infinitive, not "I prefer swimming," gerund. It's important to learn which verbs require gerunds and which require infinitives. Sometimes, learners make mistakes when they're dealing with two verbs in a row. When the first verb is followed by a second verb, the second verb usually takes the ing form. For example, "I can't stand waiting," not "I can't stand wait." Great job, learners! Today, we tackled some of the most common mistakes people make with gerunds. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use gerunds in your speech and writing, the better you'll get at avoiding these common mistakes. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next video.